Congrats natin, Sir Wally. Sir Wally, congrats. Ano idol, maraming thank you very much.
Thank you.
Maraming salamat sa pambubudol. Bike ni idol. Okay, 10 kilometers. Teacher, congrats. Fastest 10 ni teacher to. Paring walk! Unlimited mangga. Okay, barefoot running day 484 with teacher Molly. May kasama ulit tayong idol na mamaw. Ayan si Idol Topits. Galing sa Mount Hubu-Hubu. Ayo, let's go! Let's go! With Daddy Wax. Paring Wax. Go! Alright! Meron po tayong kasama na amoy Mount Pulag pa. Mount Pulag. Teacher. Okay, Forest Lake na. Teacher. Sir, good afternoon. Teacher, where are you? Ayun. Ha? Kasama natin ang idol. Ng mga idol. Okay, 1 kilometer, teacher. Idol.
Alright.
Bilis. 6 minutes and 48 seconds agad ang pace. Grabe yan. Ang calories burn natin, 89 kilocalories burn. Alright. Okay, 2 kilometers, teacher. With idol. Iba ka, idol. Pace natin, 6 minutes and 21 seconds. Ang calories burn natin, 179 kilocalories burn. Congrats natin, Sir Wally. Sir Wally, congrats. Congrats po, sir. Okay, 3 kilometers. Ang pace natin ay 6 minutes and 22 seconds. With Idol. Idol, alright? Si Idol, pagpahon, gumagamit duwalo. Napakalakas. Okay, 4 kilometers dito. With Idol. Ang pace natin ay 6 minutes and 26 seconds. Ang calories burn natin, 343 kilocalories burn. Last 4. Alright. Jeep, maganda hapon.
4 kilometers.
4 nga. On the road! Woo! Power. Okay. 5 kilometers dito. With Idol.
Alright.
Ang pace natin ay 6 minutes and 22 seconds. 32. Magte-10 daw kami. At si teacher bitin sa 8. Diyos ko. Susunod niya, mas malakas pa sa akin, tatakbo to. Paring walk!
Alright.
Pare! Washing! With Idol. Okay, 6 kilometers teacher. With Idol. Sir Wally, sir. Ang pace natin ay 6 minutes and 13 seconds. Calories burn natin ay 614 kilocalories burn. Alright. Okay, 7 kilometers teacher. With Idol pare! Ingat! With Idol.
Alright.
Ang pace natin ay 6 minutes and 20 seconds. Last 3. Okay. 8 kilometers. Teacher. With Master Idol Mambubudol. Idol ko. Ang pace natin ay 6 minutes and 19 seconds. Ang calories burn natin ay 890 ba? 790. Basta yun na yun. Last 2. Okay, 9 kilometers teacher. Pace natin ay 6 minutes and 23 with Idol Mambubudol. Alright. Calories burn natin yung 723 kilocalories burn. Iba ka, Idol? Okay, 10 kilometers. Teacher, congrats. Fastest na ni teacher to. Yung relive ko, nagloko din. Ang oras natin ay 1 hour and 4 minutes. So, konti na lang sub 1 na. Grabe, iba na lakas teacher. Ang pace natin nung last is 6 minutes and 22. Overall pace natin ay 6 minutes and 23 seconds. Alright. Teacher, congrats. May bilis na.
Nabudol.
Nasa si Idol Mambubudol. Nag-sprint ng huli eh. Alright, ang colors burn natin ay 800 ba?
Yun na yan.
Basta yun na yun. May kasabihan ka ba, teacher? May kasabihan ka.
Lahat kakayanin.
Ayan. Lahat kakayanin. Kasabihan ba yun?
Akala mo hindi mo kaya pero kaya mo pala.
Ayun! Ayun na, kasabihan ng runners yun. Alright, cool down. Magbabike pa nga pala kami pa uwi. Lakas si teacher. Okay, nabudol na naman tayo ni Idol.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much din. Teacher! Ay, bihira mag-10, nabitin pa. Nakakala tayo ni Idol. Idol Mambubudol. Bike ni Idol. Ganda. Bike namin. Bike ni Amber. Bike ni ate. Alright, pauwi na tayo. Nanguna si Idol. Pangalawa si teacher. Basang-basa. Alright, eto na yung Banayad Ahon. Parang hindi nag-10 si teacher ah. Let's go! Alright. Bossing! Magandang gabi, bossing! Ano Idol, maraming thank you very much.
Thank you.
Maraming salamat.
Alright.
Maraming salamat sa pambubudol. Teacher. Ay, mag-ingat ka Idol ah. Thank you. Unlimited mangga. Dami.